Hi, good morning, children. Good children, all have done your test very well. You have not taken the help from anybody. Did your daddy, mummy, or brother, sister help you in writing? Whatever it may be, all have done your test very well, and few of you have not given the answer sheet, not submitted your answer sheet. The result will be entered in the report card. Okay, so those who have not submitted, please try to submit the paper within this week. Okay, today we are back to our lesson. We are going to learn small letters, cursive letters, small. I have already started A, B, C. But once again, we start from letter A. All of you take your e-book and pencil. Be ready with your notebook. Okay, children? Now, look at the board. I am going to write small letter A. From down, A. This we have already learned. But once again, I am showing you, leave one line only up to the middle line and come back. Always there will be a tail for the small letters. From down, go up to the middle, come back. Letter A. Now we go to letter B. From down, go up, touch the first line, come back, down, letter B. Once again, letter B. One row of letter B. Then letter C. Letter C. So A, B, C we have completed. C. Now letter D. See, from down, go to the middle, come back like letter A, go up, touch the first line, come down, letter D. Once again, from down, go up to the middle, come back, turn to the right, go up, then come down, letter D. Once again, go up, come down, letter D. Got it, children? Yeah, letter D. After letter D, we write letter E. From down, go to the middle of the line, then turn to left. Once again I show. From down, go up, the middle, turn to the left. Letter E. Small letter E. Small letter E. Now, F is a bit confusing. Letter F. From down, go up, touch the first line, come down to the third line, then turn to the right, go to the middle, letter F. F is a bit confusing, so carefully look at the board. From down, we go up, touch the first line, come down to the third line, turn to the right, go up middle. Yeah. Once again, from down, go up. Yeah, letter F. Letter F. Once again, I'll show letter F. From down, go up, come down. Okay. Letter F. Letter F. Okay, children. Letter F. Letter F. Now you have to take your cursive writing book. We have completed all the capital letters. Okay, you have written all the capital letters up to page 29. Now we are writing letter A, B, C. I think some of you have already finished writing A, B, C. Then letter D, small letter E, letter F. That is up to page 35 in this week. You have to complete. F for fish. Okay children, small letter F. A, B, C you have already completed. Those who have not written, try to write from small letter A to F. Okay, that's fine. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Good children, keep well.